Good morning, everyone, and today we're going to start our week by looking at a video called Adrift. Now, our writing skill for today is all about sequencing events. Now, it's really important when we're telling stories to be able to tell them in an order that makes sense. And sometimes to do this and to help us, we might watch a video. So a really important thing to be able to do with that is really quickly and easily make notes about the order in which things happen. Now, the key thing to remember about notes is that they just need to be short. They don't need to be full sentences because only you need to be able to understand them. So what I'm going to do on my screen is I'm going to watch the video and I'm going to have a go at making a few notes to show the key events. Then what I'd like you to do is to go away, watch the video and make your own notes. Now you can do this on paper or on a Google document like I've got open here. So these are the ones that you are able to open from Google Classroom. Okay, let's start the video. It's called Adrift and it's an animated film. Now, last week we looked at Under the Sea. So this week we're going up into the sky. It's a bit of a strange video though. So I don't need to make any notes yet. Okay. Just really short notes so I can remember. What's that on his leg? Oh, a ring on bird's leg. Add punctuation in later. Okay. Huge blue whale flying through sky with house on back. So you can see, not full sentences, just notes to me. Girl in house on whale, looking out window. Bird shocks girl. Then flies away. Girl runs downstairs and outside to try to catch the bird. Now, I think she's trying to catch the bird because it looks like she's probably a bit lonely there by herself. Girl feels sad, I think, and sits under a tree. Man appears, I think it's a man, attached to wings. Look, with wings that look like he's made them. So we can start to add detail in. What you could do is watch it through a few times and add detail to each note as you go through. Because I've missed stuff now, I've got to pay attention. I think that's the whale calling very loud. So extra information in parentheses. Okay, I'm going to use that zoom out, that kind of break there as an opportunity to stop for me. Now, you can see from my notes that you should be able to see on the screen that they're just really short. Now, these are going to help me remember the key moments. Don't worry about spelling at this point. Don't worry about punctuation. If you make a mistake, it doesn't really matter because what you can do, rewind the video and watch it again. It's only 3 minutes 20 seconds long. So start by just doing really short 1-word, 2-word notes until you get used to it. Obviously, I'm quite quick at typing. You might be a little bit slower than me. I've had lots and lots of practice. So what I would suggest you do is watch a bit of the video, pause it, make a note. Or even better, do it with handwriting on a bit of paper. It'll be much faster. I'm just quite quick on a computer. So what I would like you to do is watch the video and make notes about the events as they happen, and then either upload a picture of what your handwriting from the bit of paper or make it as a Google document and submit that. And that is today's assignment. You are finished when you've mapped out or made a note of every event that happens. For a challenge, add in more detail. Go back and watch it a few times and add. So for example, you can see where I've put sky, bright blue with a few clouds. That is the challenge there, to add in loads of extra detail. Okay, good luck. Bye bye. Oh, and Maurice, I've got my lanyard on, so it's definitely me.